everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, let me show you on how to create Remitly account. For this tutorial, we'll be using an iPhone. So let's hop into the App Store and search for Remitly. Open this app right here and then tap Get button to download it. Wait for a while to finish downloading and then open the app. Next, choose your language, but for now, let's set it to English. Tap Continue. Now let's tap on Create a new profile. In here, choose what country you wish to send from, and then select what country you want to send to. For example, let's set the from to US and then Philippines for to. Tap Next to proceed. Tap Continue again in the pop-up. Now in here, enter your email address and then set up your password, or you can simply use Google account or your Apple ID. After entering your email and password, then tap the blue button. After that, you'll have the option to enable biometrics or not. You can also choose to allow Remitly notification or not, however you like. From there, your Remitly account has been created and you can now send your money to the Philippines. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.